Hi friends, welcome back to my video. Today I will explain exercise 1.4 of NCERT book. So now we will solve question number 5. So question number 5 is saying that the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above zero if it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight. At what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? What would be the temperature at midnight? So here we have to find the temperature at midnight and what would be the time. Uh, 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 what will be the time at the temperature 8 degrees Celsius below zero? That means minus 8 degrees Celsius. Okay. So let's start the process. The temperature at 12 noon was equal to 10 degrees Celsius. I'm not putting the sign of degree because here is no the sign of degree. Okay, so now let's do the second step. uh, it was it was decrease the decreased at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius. That means um, the temperature at 12 noon, that means 12 p.m. The temperature on at 12 p.m. was 10 degrees Celsius, plus 10 degrees Celsius, and then it is telling that if it decreases at the rate of 0, I'm at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius, that means minus 2 per hour until midnight. That means it is decreasing 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight. That means at 12 o'clock at the night. Okay, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius? We have to find the time in which the temperature should be 8 degrees Celsius below zero. That means minus 8 degrees Celsius. So let's solve it. So at 12 noon, that means we can say 12 p.m. Okay, 12 p.m. it was 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, so next will be 1 o'clock. Okay, 1 p.m. it will be 10 degree Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to 8 degrees Celsius. 8 degrees Celsius. So I'm just putting a star. 8 degrees Celsius. No, it is not good. Let me put only Celsius. At the last, I'll put degree everywhere. Okay. And now, okay, 1 p.m. is done. Now 2 p.m. 2 p.m. it will be 8 degrees Celsius. 8 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. So 8 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to 6 degrees Celsius. Now 3 p.m. what will be the temperature? 6 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we will do until 12 p.m. 12 a.m. at the midnight. Okay, until 12 a.m. we have to do this only. 12 p.m. is equal to 10 degrees Celsius. Then we have to just subtract minus 2 degrees Celsius uh, from every temperature. Okay, 04 04 p.m. is equal to 4 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to 2 degrees Celsius. Only 2 degrees Celsius is left now. And now 5 p.m. at the evening is equal to 2 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to 0 degrees Celsius. Now the evening 6 p.m. okay is equal to 0 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. So only 2 degrees Celsius is left. So we'll just write 2 degrees Celsius here. Now 7 p.m. This is also the evening time only. Okay, let me write here because it is not visible. Okay, now we will do 7 p.m. I'm starting from 7 p.m. 7 p.m. is equal to the last temperature was minus 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now also minus 2 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we'll give minus 2 degrees Celsius in bracket and then calculate. Minus 2 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is minus minus plus 4, and here we will give the sign of negative minus 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, now we'll start from here from 8 p.m. okay, 8 p.m. is equal to um, minus 4 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, so here is negative, here is negative, minus minus plus, so 4 plus 2 is 6, and the minus sign also, minus 6 degrees Celsius. 8 p.m. done. Now 9 p.m. is equal to minus 6 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. Minus 6 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus minus plus 6 plus 2 8 and minus 8, because here is negative, here is also negative. Now 10 p.m. is equal to minus 8 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius minus 8 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus minus is plus, 8 plus 2 10, and we will as usual give the sign of negative minus 10 degrees Celsius. Now 11 p.m. We are so near. P.m. is equal to minus 10 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus minus plus 12, and here is negative, here is negative, so minus 12 degrees Celsius. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, now 12 p.m. at the midnight. 12 p.m. midnight is equal to minus 12 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 14 degrees Celsius. Okay, so here it is telling that the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius, as we have done here above 0. If it decreases, this all we had done. So the real question is, what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius? At what time there is 8 degrees Celsius? So at 9 p.m. there is 8 degrees Celsius. Wait a minute. At 9 p.m. there is 8 degrees Celsius below 0. Okay, that means minus 8. Below 0, that means negative. It is coming under negative because here is already written below 0. Okay, that means minus 8. And then what would be the temperature at midnight? So midnight is 12 p.m. Okay, at midnight is minus 14 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now we will write here. Let me give here a space. Yeah, the last statement, which is very important to get the marks. These statements are so important to write after doing the word problems. So the temperature at midnight is equal to how much? What was the temperature at midnight? Minus 14 degrees Celsius. Let me write this statement in the next page. Okay, so please note it down until here. The last two statements I will write in the next whiteboard. Okay, so please note this all problem solutions. Okay, I'm adding one more whiteboard. So here is the new whiteboard. So now I will write the last two statements, which I was not able to write in the previous page. The temperature at midnight is equal to minus 14 degrees Celsius. So the temperature at the midnight was minus 14 degrees Celsius, So the temperature part is clear. Okay, so now the timing part we have to clear now. So the time on -8 degrees Celsius is equal to 9 p.m. 9 p.m. At the at 9 p.m. there was the temperature of -8 degrees Celsius. Okay, so these two statements are the last statements, so please note it down. And now I will end the video here only. Thank you for watching my video. Until next time, bye bye.